Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the Sonic Echo and how to scan the collector Leviathan and Subnautica 2. So let's begin. So first of all we'll need to scan the bullet head, which is going to be located about 1500 meters from the life pod towards east, and here inside of this alien power plant. You'll need to look around the walls. And also you'll need a bioscanner for this. Here, as you can see, there are these purple glowing thingies, which are the bullet heads. So with the bioscanner in hand, you're gonna want to scan them like this. Also be aware they're going to try to attack you, but once you've done that, it is going to unlock inside of the biolab and passive biomodes the camouflage. So make sure in the passive biomodes you've got the camouflage activated, and once you do, you want to go and find the Leviathan, which is going to unlock the Sonic Echo, the collector Leviathan. He is going to be located between the hot biome and the alien power plant. So you'll want to just go into the way where he is going to pass by, and with the bioscanner in hand, you'll just want to wait for him. Don't worry, he's not going to see you when you have the camouflage biomode activated, and you can get really close to him. As close as for the bioscanner to reach him. So this is pretty much all. How to get the Echo, Sonic Echo and Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.